Hey everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to extract a file extension from a file name. This is super useful when you're working with file uploads or handling different file types. Let's jump right in. A file extension is the part of a file name that comes after the dot. It tells us what type of file it is. For example, Java is for Java files, .pdf is for documents, .png is for images, and .js is for JavaScript files. In JavaScript, we can use the split method to break up the file name and the dots, and then use pop to get the last part, which is the extension. Let's take a look at this code. Here's our first example. We have a file called system.php. By using split and pop, we can extract the extension, which in this case is .php. Let's check the output. In our second example, you have the file abc.js. Again, by using the same method, we extract the extension .js. The technique works consistently for any file type. For the EX6 version, we use let to declare our variables. The method for extracting the extension remains the same, but using const or let ensures better practice in modern JavaScript. And there you have it. You've learned how to extract file extensions from file names using JavaScript. It's a handy technique, especially when you're working with file uploads or file management systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for more JavaScript tips. See you in the next video.